You finished your creative piece. You're proud of it. But how do you prove your choices weren't just random, but purposeful? That's the job of the creative justification, also known as a rationale. It isn't an afterthought. It's the bridge connecting your creative work to your analytical mind, making your thinking visible to an assessor. The most common mistake is being vague. Saying, "I made interesting choices to make my work good," explains nothing. A strong justification is specific and analytical. It says, "I fragmented the syntax to represent trauma's effect on linear thought, demonstrating how form can embody content." See the difference? One is an empty claim, the other is a window into your craft. Every choice you make demands a why. Use this simple formula. I used this technique in order to create this effect, which serves my purpose of achieving this goal. For example, I used first-person present tense to create immediacy, locking the reader into the character's moment-by-moment uncertainty, which serves my goal of representing anxiety. This shows your choices aren't arbitrary. You're connecting the what to the why. And don't be afraid to be self-aware. Acknowledging a limitation, like an abrupt ending, doesn't weaken your work. It proves you have critical maturity, that you see writing as a craft to be improved, not a perfect, finished object. Ultimately, a strong justification proves your creativity is strategic. It elevates your work from being merely imaginative to being intellectually substantial. It's how you show your art doesn't just feel right, it thinks too.